emerges front-runner for COVID-19 vaccine, likely to be out by the year end. Well, Russians might have claimed that they could find the COVID-19 vaccine. Also, might have expressed its willingness to help those nations which are fighting to contain the pandemic, like India. Yet, there are no takers, including India, though Russia happens to be one of its strategic partners. Why? Simply because there was mixed reactions over the Russians' COVID-19 vaccine. In that backdrop, India, which took initiative and has allocated Rs 100 crore for vaccine development from the PM CARE Fund, appears to be emerging as the front-runner, notwithstanding the claims of many other countries, including Israel and Italy. Though there are as many as 19 vaccine trials across the world, including Israel and Germany, besides Italy, claiming to have moved closer, yet India is clearly not lagging behind, as it has 3 vaccine trials underway of the total 19. And Indian pharma companies are ready to produce the vaccine in bulk once it gets ahead with their UK and US partners. Interestingly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made no secret of India's plans. From the ramparts of Red Fort, in his Independence Day speech, he did mention of India's plans to produce the vaccine sooner than later, and blueprint to reach out to all 130 crore people across the country is also in place.
कोरोना के कालखंड में अनेक हमारे भाई बहन इस कोरोना के संकट में प्रभावित हुए हैं। कई परिवार प्रभावित हुए हैं। कईयों ने अपनी जान भी गंवाई है। मैं ऐसे सभी परिवारों के प्रति अपनी संवेदनशीलता प्रकट करता हूं और इस कोरोना के खिलाफ मुझे विश्वास है 130 करोड़ देशवासियों की अदम्य इच्छा शक्ति, संकल्प शक्ति हमें उसमें भी विजय दिलाएगी और हम विजयी होके रहेंगे। मुझे विश्वास है कि पिछले दिनों भी हम एक प्रकार से अनेक संकटों से गुजर रहे। बाढ़ का प्रकोप, खास करके नॉर्थ ईस्ट, पूर्वी भारत, दक्षिण भारत, पश्चिमी भारत के कुछ इलाके, कहीं लैंडस्लाइड, अनेक दिक्कतों का सामना लोगों को करना पड़ा है। अनेक लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवाई है। मैं उन परिवारों के प्रति भी मेरी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और राज्य सरकारों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर के ऐसी संकट की घड़ी में हमेशा देश एक बनकर के, चाहे केंद्र सरकार हो, राज्य सरकार हो, हम मिलकर के तत्काल जितनी भी मदद पहुंचाने का प्रयास कर सकते हैं, सफलतापूर्वक कर रहे हैं।
In fact, the Modi government is also closely tracking the progress of candidates being tested by the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech and Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila. Pune-based Serum Institute of India (SII), which has already struck a production and clinical trials deal with AstraZeneca for the AZD1222 vaccine. The center apparently decided to take charge of procurement of the vaccine as and when it is ready. In a directive of the states, it asked them not to approach companies directly for procurement of related requests. The first meeting of the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19 was held on August 12th with all the states. And India has decided to support its key neighbors and development partner countries for COVID-19 vaccine. As a matter of fact, India has some of the biggest vaccine makers by volume and is also likely to receive some doses as part of multilateral mechanisms such as the World Health Organization-led COVAX facility that is meant to ensure equitable distribution of doses between rich and emerging economies. Meanwhile, VK Paul of Niti Aayog said that the plan is based on how to make the vaccine accessible in terms of supply chain based on the vaccine's characteristic, whether it would require single dose or multiple doses, or would need cold chain to be maintained for storage among other things.
कि जो वैक्सीन का जो इम्पोर्टेंट मुद्दा है, मिशन है, उसके बारे में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने देश को एश्योर किया था अपने स्वतंत्रता दिवस के संबोधन में, और उन्होंने कहा है कि 3 वैक्सीन्स हमारे देश में विकसित हो रहे हैं, डिफरेंट स्टेजेस पे हैं। उनमें से एक वैक्सीन जो है वो फेज़ 3 ट्रायल में आज या कल में पहुंच जाएगा। बाकी 2 जो हैं फेज़ 1 फेज़ 2 में हैं, उनकी हमने रिव्यू किया है सबने मिलके, और उसमें अच्छी प्रोग्रेस हो रही है और वो अपनी स्पीड से आगे ठीक तरह से बढ़ रहे हैं। और हमें उम्मीद है कि ये जैसे जैसे अगले रिजल्ट आएंगे, जैसे जैसे हमारा नॉलेज उन वैक्सीन के बारे में बढ़ेगा, और वैसे ही हमें सबको पता भी होना चाहिए क्या प्रोग्रेस हो रही है, लेकिन हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये तीनों वैक्सीन अपने तरीके से उनकी डेवलपमेंट एक रीअश्योरिंग तरीके से हो रही है।
To take it further, the National Experts Group on COVID-19 vaccine is reportedly met prominent domestic vaccine producers on Monday to help chalk out the plan. In that backdrop, many expect the COVID vaccine likely to be made available by the year end as clinical trials reach the 3rd stage, which needs only a couple of weeks to get the needed clearances from the concerned authorities for production and distribution as well. This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.
For unbiased, accurate and in-depth news analysis, watch Orange News 9 TV on YouTube. Subscribe. Press bell icon, like, comment and share. Edited and promoted by seasoned journalist M.S. Shankar.